Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be taking down the quick weave from the last video that we just did. So first things first, I'm just going to separate my leave out, and then I'm going to go directly in with my oil sheen to remove my tracks. This is pretty much one of the easiest ways that you can remove your own tracks other than shampooing and using conditioner. This helps you see a little bit better, but as you can see, the tracks come right out. The oil loosens up the glue immediately. Next, I'm going to go in and just cut out some of my thread. This helps with taking the quick weave down a lot faster as well. And I'm just going to go through, and you guys are just going to watch me pull my hair out pretty much. So this is pretty much the results. I just went through and just took the rest of the cap off. It wasn't really that hard. Now I'm going to go in and take my braids out. Of course, I washed my hair for everyone that was asking on TikTok. And I'm going to re-braid down my foundation. So since we're doing a side part, we're going to do the same exact braids, but I'm just going to leave out on the side that I want my part on. Same technique as always. Sew your cap down. This literally helps with once you glue the tracks on and you have to cut your cap, and you know how you can feel everything kind of shift. This helps with that, and helps your cap last a whole lot longer. So now we're just going to go in with Old Faithful Got to Be Glue spray, and we're going to protect the hair underneath and help those tracks really mold onto the cap a lot better. 30 seconds glue as always. And fun fact for y'all that didn't know, they actually posted me on their page before too a few years ago. But I'm just spraying with some bedhead, and we had to take this to the crib because it was time to go. But I'm going to continue to glue them tracks in, same pattern as we did last time, just shifting them over to the side. But yeah, this is pretty simple. If you guys didn't see the last video, you literally are just laying the tracks directly onto the cap, and that's it. You're going to go all the way up until we're at the lines in your leave out lay. So right here, we're still doing the same thing, but I'm going to go in and add my pink tracks now. A lot of you guys were actually asking about these tracks. I colored them myself, and I got it to match my natural leave out. But yeah, so I just go through, and I like to align my cap with the big head spray or whatever holding spray I have that I know works really well. But now I'm going to go through, and I'm just going to cut the perimeter of the cap off so that, you know, everything is laid and you don't have to worry about that flimsy cap laying on you. But basically, we're going to go in, we're going to flat iron that leave out as always. I am using a slick stick, but not the slick stick brand. This is actually the Remy brand, and I love it. It's really good on the hair, and it's not too much at one time. But yeah, I'm just going over my part, perfecting everything, and then we're basically going to press that leave out. This is heat protecting spray, and I use it on all of my wigs. I'm using a plug-in hot comb. This is by Hot and Hotter. I'll make sure that I link everything in the description box below so that you guys can shop when you want to. And of course, my Old Faithfuls. This is my favorite flat iron in the entire world. I have found nothing better. This is Babeless flat iron for all you guys that was asking. But yes, we're going to press that leave out really good, and this was the results of that. After I pressed my leave out, I went in and did my edges how I wanted them. I didn't straighten the hair immediately. I think I wound up straightening it like an hour after or something like that, because I was just ready to chill. But this was the final results. If you guys liked it, leave a comment, leave a like, and share this video. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.